What's up my guys, it's Cade from Beyond the Box, back with another video. If you guys are new to the channel, we are giving an Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers. We are on the road to 20K, we're getting really close, so make sure you subscribe. And if you guys are not interested in VR, we are giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers, so again, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. I don't post that often. When I post a video, you know it's something worth checking out, because if I think it's worth my time, then it's definitely worth yours. So let's get right into it. You guys know that I'm a Star Wars fan. I love Star Wars. It's one of my favorite things on the planet. And if you guys love the prequels like I do, you've always wanted a clone helmet, a Phase 2 Clone Trooper helmet. Now this is made by Hasbro. This is the Black Series. The pre-order came out like last year. I was really excited, so I put my pre-order in. I did not get it when it came out. I finally got one come across my desk. It was sold out for a while. Thankfully, you can find it now on Amazon. I'm gonna have the link in the description below if you guys wanna check it out. But I'm really excited to get this on my head because I've always wanted to own a Clone Trooper helmet. So the fact that Hasbro has finally made one, it's taken them years to make this. I'm super excited because I've always wanted this. And the great thing about this is it's not just a helmet, it's actually a voice changer inside. So I'm really looking forward to taking a look at that because I've never seen a Clone Trooper helmet with a voice changer inside. There we go. Here we go, guys. Isn't this thing beautiful? Wow. This thing is so beautiful. It's perfect. It is physically perfect. It is visually perfect. Check out the details. The back looks amazing. There's buttons on the side right here for the voice. This one doesn't work, this doesn't do anything. This one is the voice button. I don't know if this comes out. Oh yeah, this is where you put the batteries. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna need a screwdriver. I'm gonna have to grab that. But this is fully licensed from Lucasfilm and Star Wars. This is just beautiful, guys. I can't wait to get batteries in this thing. So this helmet takes 3 AA batteries. So, wait, no. It takes AAAs? What the?
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so I had to actually run to the store and buy AAA batteries. And I actually bought AA batteries a few days ago because I thought this thing took AA's. Turns out it's AAA. Okay, I can't wait to actually hear what this sounds like now. Take that. Ooh, almost dropped it. Hello? Hello? Roger, Roger. Does it sound any different? Couple of shinies in our ranks. Yes, this is TC91959. So, I can't really hear what it sounds like. So you guys could probably just hear what it sounded like. Hopefully the muffling of the helmet doesn't make it sound too bad in this microphone, but the visibility is not that bad. I can see everything in my apartment. It probably gets foggy in here, so I would recommend getting some type of anti-fog liquid that you spray inside. But in terms of comfortability, it's pretty comfortable. Although I do think that it's a little oversized. I have a small head. Maybe it's because they expected bigger people to wear this, but it's very comfortable inside. It doesn't really, well, I guess it does shake around. It's not very tight or secure. It's a pretty cool collectible if you like, just like Star Wars helmets in general. I'm probably going to send it back because I think it's a little too big. So you would probably want to get one from like Cybercraft or something like that. Cybercraft, if you guys want to work with me, I would love to review one of your helmets. So please reach out. My business email is going to be in the description. So if you guys want to send me a helmet to review, feel free. I would love to check out you guys' stuff. By the way, I'm filming this on May 19th. So if you guys may know, that is Revenge of the Sith Day. So may the Force be with you. I imagine it would get pretty hot under there after a while. Here's the inside of it, if you can see it a little bit. And the voice changer doesn't seem like it does very much to help distort the voice. My girlfriend said she could still obviously tell it was me. And I was actually hoping for some voice lines, some stuff to come from the clones, not just a $20 voice changer that you would get from 2001 installed in this helmet. So I'm disappointed when it comes to the voice changer. I wasn't expecting that. I was actually expecting to hear like the clones' voices. So that's not what I wanted to hear. But detail-wise, like if you just want to display this somewhere in your house, it's perfect. But make sure you press that button, otherwise it's just gonna keep doing the little chippy sound to let you know that the voice changer is on. If you guys just wanted to sit this somewhere on like a shelf, this is perfect. It's like $130 on Amazon. You can get it on Prime, so if you wanted it, you could have it in your hands by tomorrow night. Always, once again, if you buy something on Amazon, you can always return it easily. No questions asked, just take it to a UPS and they send it right back. So it's great that you can purchase something like this on Amazon Prime to figure out if you want it before you even devote yourself to keeping it around in your house. Because it's pretty big. Like, I didn't expect it to be this big. I wish it would have been a little smaller, so it would have been like the exact realistic size of the real helmets. But aesthetically wise, I'm very happy. If I had a lot more space or like just like a game room or like a dungeon just to like sit this somewhere, I probably would keep it because this is the best Dark Series helmet Hasbro has made so far. Whether it's Boba Fett, Darth Vader, you name it. The 2023 Hasbro, the Black Series Phase 2 Clone Trooper helmet has got to be their best one yet. And I'm very happy with the way it looks, but I'm very disappointed when it comes to the voice changer. So if you guys just wanted an honest opinion, there it is. Not much else to say. Otherwise, it's really cool. By the way, guys, we are giving a lot of Star Wars stuff away. I am giving a Mandalorian Darksaber away. We're also giving a Oculus Quest 2 away at 20,000 subscribers. We're on the road to 20K. We're getting really close. And we're giving a PS5 away at 30,000 subscribers. So stay tuned because we got a lot to do in the future and we got a lot of milestones to hit. I'm gonna go get off this thing. I'm gonna go play some Star Wars Battlefront 2. I will see you guys in the next one. Roger, Roger.